Hi, I'm Chris, and this is my helper Barda. Oh, that little goof. We just recently found out that Barda has early onset arthritis. That poor thing. She is almost 4 years old. Well, I tell you what, it doesn't stop her though. She is just so happy, even though she kind of, her back end, you could tell, hurts. It's in her hips and her legs. What we're doing is we've got her on a prescription food that's supposed to help with the joints, and she's got the equivalent of kind of like a Tylenol or Advil that we can give her every once in a while. Like I said, it doesn't seem to stop her. I mean, I really have to, at the park, I need to keep her from running the fence, otherwise she just comes home and just can't move, that poor thing. Oh, yeah. But she's happy right now, and that's all that matters. So the next project that's coming out is the Suizan Dozuki review. And if you've got an aspect of the saw that you're interested in, you know, if it cuts a particular wood well or like a joint or something like that, if you're asking for dovetail joints, I'm not that good at it right now, so I can give it a whirl, but for sure I plan on doing a box joint with it on a couple different woods, just to see how it is. But if you've got something that you're looking for out of a saw, just put it in the description, would you? And I'll try and make sure that it gets in the video. So the next thing is that I'm planning on building a 120 square foot work shed. And I'm kind of cheating, and I just ended up downloading the plans for $20 off of this one site. And really it doesn't seem like it's going to be that hard, and I'm keeping to 120 square feet because that's the maximum I can build without having to get permits. That should be pretty fun, but to get started on that, I needed to clear out some of the, how shall I say this, raw materials that are taking up the space where the shed's gonna go. So, you know, you can see there's a bunch of logs that got cut, and I was using the chainsaw mill. But the thing is there is one log out there that was part of a over 30-year-old pine tree that was in my yard. Yeah, that thing is too big for the chainsaw mill, and so if I want to rip it into boards, I'm either free-handing it with a chainsaw or I'm gonna use the handsaw. I mean, that might be like another, I don't know, whaleback saw video waiting to happen. Except for one that takes like a long time. Oh, that's gonna be fun. So the last thing is something for you guys. I came across this free, awesome video editor. I mean, this thing is pretty much, if you don't want to pay for Adobe Premiere and you want that full-featured video editor where you can do, you know, a couple different timelines in there and a bunch of other really nice features, this is it. It's called Resolve. And what I'll do is I'll put a link in the description below for the software itself, but also the video that really kind of helped me get going on it. It's like it's a 45-minute video, and the guy does a really good job of going through and kind of doing the highlights. So if you've done some video editing, this is great for that, definitely. Well, I'd like to thank you for watching, and hopefully you find that Resolve video editor really useful. I mean, even if you're just doing something for your family or something of that nature. And if you'd like to find out what's going on behind the scenes, check us out in the social media links down below. If you don't mind, please like, share, and if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.